In this video, we'll explore the EazyDocs Doc Assistant, a software tool designed to streamline your documentation process. But before that, your EazyDocs Pro license must be activated. To activate the EazyDocs Doc Assistant, navigate to EazyDocs, then Settings, and then go to Docs Assistant. Simply turn on the switch and your assistant will appear on the main screen. Once activated, you can customize the assistant's appearance using the provided settings. Here you can select display location as you like. In this section you can select post types, and there are upload options for open icon and close icon. In tab settings you can modify knowledge base settings. There are many fields available here like heading and search and many others. In contact tab there are many fields available like heading, receiver email, and much more. In color tab you can change icon color, header background color, and other color as you like. In position tab there are two options available, vertical and horizontal position. After customizing your assistant, click the Save button located at the top or bottom of the screen. This will save your options, and the assistant will appear in the bottom right corner of your documentation interface. Look for the assistant icon in the bottom right corner of your documentation pages. Click on it to open the interface. The Doc Assistant provides two key features: search and support. Search feature helps you to quickly search all your documents in seconds. Support helps to access a contact form to reach EazyDocs support directly. The EazyDocs Doc Assistant is a valuable tool to streamline your documentation workflow and improve the overall quality of your documents. Thank you for watching.